your girl Eonnie Dear here, and today I'm gonna be doing a video based on one of my subscribers. She asked me, and she's my best friend, but you know, she told me I should do a video of what I put in my makeup bag. Now, I have a plethora of makeup, and it's because of BoxyCharm, which I've had since this year is when I stopped having the BoxyCharm. But this is my everyday makeup bag. I put in my Fenty Skin bag because my Bretman Rocks bag is gone through. I broke it and I want to cry about it, but I'm gonna fix it. I still use it, but I just can't close it. It has skincare in it. So this is my everyday makeup bag, and I'm gonna show you what I have in it. So the first things I have in my makeup bag that I can just poop out is my palettes. This one is my contour palette. It's the Ace Beauty palette. I've also got most of these from BoxyCharm. I'll link everything down below where you can get it. So this is my favorite contour palette. I use it for everything. I use it to bronze, contour. Sometimes I use the lighter shades just as a little boop, 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 run out the door. And then this, my Alamar Cosmetics medium tan blush trio. This one is my favorite, and it's almost done. It's gonna be finished soon, but this is my favorite. It has a little mirror. Both of them come with little mirrors, which I also love. And then these two are my favorite Tarte Cosmetics palettes I got, eyeshadow palettes I got. This is all nude shades with a little bit of shimmer. And then I don't know if they still have these. I got this a long time ago. If they do, I'll link it. And this one is the all shimmer nude. Oh, look at it, my favorite. Woo, almost dropped it. But anyways, these are my two favorites. Then after that, your girl has to have a setting powder, which I usually don't always use. Sometimes, right now I don't have any makeup on. All I have is mascara and a little liner to like make fake lashes at the bottom. That's all I have on. I don't have anything else on but skincare. But if I want to just go quick out somewhere, transparent contour, blush, whatever, gone. Or just transparent blush, and I'm out. Now this is the Becca Cosmetics. I think it's the Hydra Mist setting powder is my favorite. It feels very it doesn't dry out my skin, which is why I like it. When I put it on my skin, one of my favorites, go to. Then I have Becca Cosmetics highlighter. This is the, what is this? The Champagne Pop, of course. Anyways, the Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. I use this to highlight my everything, whether it be shoulders, obviously highlighting points. This is my favorite. Like, do you see? Please. It's too cute. Also, I have, you know, the normal stuff. I have my CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion with sunscreen AM. This is what I use for SPF. If I don't have this one, I can't find it, I just use, you know, normal SPF, like the ones that you use in your body. SPF is SPF. I'm gonna use whatever I feel like. Once it's on, it's on. Then I use my favorite Ordinary foundation. This is the coverage foundation, and this is the serum foundation. Now I usually use the coverage foundation more, as you can see. This one always lost. I don't know, it be whatever. As you can see, look how clean it is. This one dirty up. This one I always have. This one sometimes I can't find it. I don't know, it just be getting up and walk. I don't know what be going on with this one, but this one is also good. I can't tell you which. I think I like the coverage better, but I haven't used the serum in so long, I can't remember, man. But these are my favorites. Also I have my concealers, my Born This Way concealer. What else? I know I have other concealers in here. My Born This Way concealer, then I have my Tarte Shapewear concealer. This one is more, it says Glow Wand. I don't really use this side because it's always popping off. But anyways, this is more my skin tone. So I use this to cover up like blemishes and stuff. And you know the LA girl always, we always have to have this. My shade is in, what the hell is my shade? What is my shade? Warm Honey. That's what I use. Now we go on to the mascaras. If I want to be extra, I didn't use any of these. I used one from my other bags. But this I use first because it's more of a pink. This is to just make your lashes longer, which I should have used, but it was already ready for the video, so I had it out of my way. Then I use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Would I buy this if I had the funds? Yes. I do not, because I am unemployed. Digress. I'm a part-time student, so can't afford this. So if I don't recommend, if you can't get this, I recommend you get the L'Oreal in the same kind of pink tube, just looking like this. Get that one, cause girl, bitch, that's popping. Then I have waterproof pen eyeliner. This one, I think I got this off of Yes Style. It's a Korean brand. McQueen New York. It's a Korean brand. I love it. It's brown, so it's just like subtle. And then we have, what else? My other eyeliner, Wet n Wild. Well, Jesus, wrong way. You know, I always breaking something. Anyways, this is it. I barely use eyeliners, but if I need it, I have one in there. Then I have this mascara. It's from Pretty Vulgar. Do I use this a lot? It's just like a normal mascara, to be honest. Have I used it a lot? No. Then we have lipsticks. Now I have a whole bunch. So we're gonna start with the red. Let's look for them all first. Is this one red? Yes. So we're gonna start with the red. So I have my MAC, of course, Russian Red. I used to, my favorite, and I still have it because I won't give up on it. Used to be the Rihanna Ruby Woo. Was my favorite. I also have the Stunna, but I don't have it in this bag. I keep it in my bathroom. Then I have Wet n Wild just lip liner and a NARS lip liner also, but I use this all over the lips. Then I have the Queen, which I got in a BoxyCharm, in the color is this? You know your girl ain't got in Monroe. These my go-to reds. My go-to. Stunna, always go-to, but it's not in here. I don't know why I don't keep it in here, because those are for special occasions. That's in the bathroom. But those are my go-to reds. Now, this is more like a lip stain. I usually use it on like when I want to do, you know, the little Korean pout. I put it on the insides and I put on my cheeks. That's it. If I'm doing like really, really, really normal makeup, that's what I use here. Then we gonna get into these browns. Ooh. So usually if I want to do a liner, I just use this or an eyeshadow in the color brown. So here we go. I have, where is this? I have my, is this I don't know. I don't even know where I got this from. Okay, this is Maybelline Maple Kiss. I always put this on red, whatever. If it's a red, if it's a pink, if it's a brown, always put it on at the end, so it gives me that ombre effect. That's my ombre lip. Now for these, I would probably use this, this, then this, okay? These are go-to browns. A little bit of red, you know, give a little dimension. So I have, all of them are Wet n Wild. So this is Devil's Advocate, Send Nudes, and Kiss of Death, you know? It's giving that kind of vibe, okay? Yeah. And then we have these. This is for when I want to do my little cushion makeup. I believe this is also Wet n Wild. Yeah, Wet n Wild cushion. This is called Doll So Hard. This is when I want to do my Korean shit. You know, put a little lip gloss on. This is the lip gloss I have. I usually used to have my sister's lip gloss in here, but I broke it. Typical me, I break it. So I have this lip gloss. This is for when I'm about to do my makeup. I put this on. It gives it like a plumping effect. I got this from Yes Style. This is my favorite. I think it's 3CE. Favorite. It makes the lips feel so nice. And this, I don't even really use it because look at it. It's just so messed up. It's been in every makeup bag. It's tattered, but you know, it's BT21 and I have to have it with me at all times. Like, look at it. And this is RJ. If you don't know, you don't know. But if you know, you motherfucking know. Anyways, yeah, and that's that. I also, last but not least, which I don't know how it got out the bag without me showing it, it's my e.l.f. Runway Lip Palette. You know, just in case you gotta go. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's in this makeup bag. There's nothing else. And this is what I go to, my everyday makeup bag essentials. This is what your girl has in her bag. These are my essentials. Essential for me. Because I love BTS and I love BT21 and no one's gonna tell me about it. But yes, guys, this is my makeup bag. I hope you like this video and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Love you. Mwah.